Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Smart Matrix Plumbing, and today we are somewhere in this house. You can see it hapo nyuma. We are installing one toilet and a bidet, and hiyo ndio shughuli tutakuwa tunafanya leo. So guys, kindly subscribe to my channel kama hauja subscribe, and comment, share hapo hivyo. So guys, let's go in and see what we are dealing with today. It's a very beautiful place. Place iko serene sana. Let's get the tools of work. This is my toolbox. My car is my office, so we're going to need a drill. A drill will need, and one box of pipe wrenches, and let's see here. What we have. Yes, I think I need this one. It's the main toolbox. I'll use that. And most importantly, a spirit level. So these are the few things that I'm going to need as I'll be installing the toilet. Let's go in, guys. Here we are. Yes, so this is what we are going to be installing back today. It's a toilet and a bidet. Zilikuwa zimewekwa zikatolewa because kulikuwa na kazi ya tiling kidogo, but let us start with the toilet first. So basically, the toilet will sit there like that. So what I need to do is to use silicone to make sure it is firm there. So what you do before putting silicone, you test like 3-4 times to make sure there's no leakages. Because once I put silicone, it's Done. So usually this toilet leak, most of the toilet usually leaks between the magic flex and where the connection is. That is where most toilets leak, but for this one there is no leakage. So we can now go ahead and put silicone and give it like 30 minutes for it to dry, and now it can be used. So let's work on the silicone now. So this is my gun. I've never used this silicone. The client bought it. It's called neutral transparent sealant. It's called P-Uster. I've never used it, but I'm going to see how its effectiveness after 5 or 6 minutes and see if it's the best. I usually recommend high-tech, but let us try this one today and see how it goes. So we're going to apply silicone at the base of where the toilet is seated. Yes. So now the silicone is nicely and well distributed. I'm going to give it like 30 minutes for it to dry, so now that toilet can get back to use. So from the toilet now we are going to work on the bidet. We're going to install it here. It's also a sanitary gadget. It's used by ladies. So we're going to install it here. And let's start working on it. So you want to make sure you tighten the tap. Nice. So before applying silicone, want to make sure there's no leakage at the back, so that once we apply silicone, everything is going to be set. And In this case, I think we are set, there is no leakage. So let's go ahead and do the silicone. Perfect. Now everything is ready. We can now give it like 30 minutes for it to dry, then everything can be used. So basically that was it for today. Simple work, but nice and beautiful. Putting the toilet and the bidet. And apart from that, we also installed showers. A shower like this one. The one who installed it is called a shower panel. Very good system. And also sinks like those ones, bathroom accessories, etc. So feel free to call my number anytime you need any plumbing job, or if you have a problem with plumbing anywhere, just contact me. Yes, so basically that was it for today. Successfully installed the toilet and the bidet, and the work has gone well. Like I've said, I also do shower installation, like the one behind me. It's called a shower panel. And anything plumbing related, you can feel free to call me. My number is always on my description. Call me if you need any form of plumbing work, be it unataka kuwekewa solar heater, heat pump, pipe work, drainage, anything, and I'll be here at your service. So thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.